Hey guys, today let's learn how to use these stickers on iOS 17. So if you want to go ahead and use these stickers in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the Messages application or the iMessage application, because here is where we could actually use now this so-called stickers option. So all we need to do next is to choose a specific chat that we want to go ahead and basically edit, and we're going to use this one for an example. I'm going to tap on the plus icon right here, and what I want you guys to do is to go ahead and scroll down until you see this stickers option. Now go ahead and tap on that, and what you guys should see is of course the option to go ahead and edit the stickers or add some stickers. So you could actually choose some of the default stickers that you have on here and a lot of different ones as well by other applications, and when you go ahead and tap on that, you're going to have the option to send that sticker. As you see, MMS messaging needs to be enabled to send this message. So if you do not have MMS messaging enabled, you need to basically have that enabled as well before sending the sticker. But that's how you guys could essentially use these stickers on your iPhone iOS 17. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.